All right, this is improved prepackaged framing. My name is Charlie Martin. My group members were Colin Snyder, Anthony Wood, and Esteban Valenzuela. And the overall idea of our project is to improve framing packages by making them automated and custom for each project. The first part of making fully custom lumber packages is to create a software that allows for the wood to be cut prior to delivery. This has many benefits, but to cut the wood off-site, a software extension to Revit or AutoCAD would allow for a complete lumber package detailing the dimensions and quantity of each piece of lumber to be specified so it can later be cut using automated systems and delivered to site. In addition to the complete lumber package, there would also be a set of construction documents that correspond to the pre-cut and labeled lumber to make assembling the pieces faster. A major component of this extension is it will take any custom design to make a complete package. Some of the current challenges in framing packages include inefficiency and waste in traditional lumber, packaging and on-site cutting, job site safety concerns due to manual cutting with hand tools, lack of customization in traditional lumber packages, leading to errors and delays, and an industry demand, a need for automated off-site lumber cutting solutions, and a demand for fully customized framing packages tailored to each project's design. And not to mention that a study done by the Journal of the American Society of Plastic Surgeons states that over 10,000 table saw injuries occur annually. And as you can see, throughout 2017 down to 2020, there were above 10,000 cases every single year. Benefits to cutting the lumber off-site are immense. The first being job site safety. Cutting the lumber in a controlled, automated manner is safer than doing it on-site where framers use hand tools to cut wood. These hand tools offer little for protection and are often used in precarious situations like up in the air. Another benefit to pre-cutting the lumber is efficiency. There's a lot of wasted time and material in getting the lumber ready to frame. This lost time and material equate to money, which directly increases cost of building. It would allow for buildings to be built quicker, which would allow for the contractors to turn over more houses in the given time. At that, the quality would likely increase as cuts are made to a higher degree than they could be on site, and having more detailed construction documents would leave less room for error. On top of all this, it would be more sustainable as cutting the lumber off-site would reduce raw waste and allow for lumber to be cut with cleaner grid power and with efficient machines over less efficient generators and with inefficient hand tools. Really quickly, before I wrap this up, I'm going to go over some of the competition that we have. Some of the alternatives that companies can go through are lumber yards that produce the frame sets themselves, and CNC machines, which are already widely used in the woodworking industry to automate the wood cutting process, including framing. But why is our product more efficient? The product we are producing has the potential to compete with CNC machines by offering a more streamlined, user-friendly, and automated solution. By focusing specifically on wood framing for construction, we could offer a tailored experience that is easier to use than general-purpose CNC machines, which may require a more intricate setup for each new project. Thank you, everybody, for your time and listening to our proposal on improved prepackaged framing. Thank you.